Question 1, 2, and 3 is written recursively because see how you have two terms? You have the first initial term, which on the first step you have 0, and then on the general term, the prior term is plus 6. So that would mean, and this is up to you, if you want to write it linearly, horizontally, or if you want to do a table, whatever suits you. So what I mean by that is the first step is 0. I'm adding by 6. This is my growth. So this is a linear pattern, right? This is a linear pattern because my growth is a positive 6. Yeah? Okay, so what would be my step 2? 6. And what would be my step 3? You're just adding 6. So it would go plus 6, plus 6. And so what is that? 12. And then what's the next one? 18. Right? Okay, what do they want? The first 4 terms. But that count. Let's go one more because I think it's beyond that one. 24. Okay, and so you could write it this way. That's actually very, very common. This is probably the most common way I get it from you guys. I will have students sometimes do a table. So they'll say, okay, the first step has 0, the second step, third, fourth, fifth, because then they kind of want to see, okay, I'm going to add the next 4 steps, right? And then from there, they'll go, okay, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So if you want to write it vertically or horizontally, it's up to you, whatever makes sense. Because later on, we're going to tell you, hey, give me the 25th step, say for instance. And yes, it could be a really big number. So if I want the 25th step, are you going to go plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6? Which is fine, you could do that. Or are you going to be able to write it explicitly, show the work, and then give me that number? Okay, it's different credit for both, okay? Okay, so then this is still positive. Okay, so here, this is going to be linear as well. Linear. This is linear. And that's because if your growth is an add or subtract, it's linear. Okay, so for question 3, you start at 8, but you're going to be taking away or subtracting 4 from step to step. So you're going to go minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Okay, so if I start at 8, subtract 4, 4. Subtract 4, 0, right? Subtract 4, negative 4, negative 8. I think that's, yeah. Okay, I'll pause there, do the second one, and then I'll pause it to get the 4th, 5th, and 6th, because those are written explicitly. So question 1, 2, and 3, they gave you the recursive equations. Question 4 through 6 gave you the explicit equation or functions. Okay. Okay, let me pause it.